Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria, also known as Mindsetandmascara, and we like color here and glitter and all things like that. And I have an obsession with nails lately. I used to love getting my nails done, and then of course the stuff happened, and well, I started doing them on my own, and I figured why not film it. So today we're going to look into this Beetles autumn kit, and I'm just going to unbox it and show you what things come in here. And actually, Slaybyjay is the one that kind of turned me on to this kit. She did a video on it. I will link her channel down below. I've learned a lot from her. I've also learned a lot from Femi Beauty and Long Hair Pretty Nails. I watch all the nail tours. So you just get a booklet and another thing showing you what you get in the kit. Also, you get a lamp, and it's a pretty good lamp. I did end up using this lamp. You probably won't see it, but I did end up using this lamp and putting away my other lamp. So see, I had a little sun lamp, and I took that out and used that one. And then you get, of course, the slip solution, the base coat, the top coat. You get a matte top coat. You get two top coats, a matte top coat and a glossy top coat, and then your foundation. Something I did want to, oh sorry, you get dual forms. Bear with me here. These are my first couple of videos, and I'm learning. Plus, my camera was really off during this filming, and I'm learning. So, oh, the thing about this kit is you get a huge thing of art stuff. You've got this pack full of glitters, and there's some leaf glitters in there. You also get some foils. I did not use these foils. I used some different foils today. You also get a wax jewel picker, which usually these kits don't come with this. And then you get some tape, and I've seen a few kits have this in there. Then you get some dual forms, not dual forms, sorry. These are nail forms to sculpt the nail. Oh my gosh, Maria, learn. Also some stickers and some gems. And these gems are actually pretty cool. They're better than the ones that we normally get in some of the other videos. Then see, we're not done. Also get a little tweezers and a nail file, which you get everywhere. Oh, I'm sorry. And then the brush. And the brush is just your typical polygel brush with the brush on one side and the spatula on the other. Okay, so here I'm just going to do the swatches of each of the polygels. And I zoomed in a little bit for you. And then after this, I'm going to speed it up pretty good. The first one is skin tone, the next one is red bean, and the last one is clear. And I ended up using red bean on my nails. So right now, all I'm doing is evening out the nail. I'm not taking the shine off of it because it was already from my last set, and I didn't show you how I took off my last set. I soaked them off. Okay, I did soak them off, and they didn't last very long, and I think it was my fault because of I was getting in a hurry. So in this set, it took me a long time to do because I was making sure that I didn't get any of it on my cuticle or anything like that, or anything on the sidewalls or where my skin is, because that's what makes it more susceptible to lifting and popping off, and my nails were just not lasting. So I'm new to this. I'm not a professional. So, oh, I did use the jelly tips for this. You don't have to. You can use the dual forms or you can use just regular tips, but I like these jelly tips. Even though they did pop off, they did stay on longer than what normally does. And so you just see me cleaning off my nails with alcohol. I'm just cleaning them, getting them completely clean, all the dust, everything off of them. And then I use the Kiara Sky dehydrator and the prep. And then you see me here etching out the nail. So I etched out the nail in all of them. You don't see all of them, but I did do all of them. And then I think you don't see me do all of them. You may. But I also kind of, what I did in the last video, which is just kind of shaped it to my nail, because it's my thumbnail is very wide. So I did kind of shape it to my nail. And then, like normal, I just put all of them on with, I put the layer of the base coat, and then I cured that for 30 seconds and then put each of the nails on each hand. Now, or on my hand, I'm just doing one hand on camera. As I was saying, I am not a professional. I just started doing this on a whim, and honestly, I fell completely in love with it. It's so relaxing to do my own nails and just to see others do it, and then let my creative side come out. Y'all know that I'm a makeup artist, and I love doing that, and that's never going away. But this is just kind of spreading my wings and letting me try something new, and it's just so relaxing. Even though the set took me forever, because the set did take me forever. Even though the set did take me forever, it relaxes me. I don't know why. It's just wonderful, and I actually find it way more relaxing than doing my makeup. My makeup is, getting in my zone and doing all of that, but this just kind of, I never thought I'd have such a huge passion for doing nails, and I found out that I do. So I wanted to do these videos maybe once or twice a week, and just showing you doing my nails, doing other people's nails. I'm gonna get a practice hand so I can start practicing and doing like acrylics and things like that. But I also am going to go back to school and learn this trade. So I'm kind of very, very excited. I can't believe this kind of just pushed me into doing that. I never ever thought that I would, honestly. I didn't. So yeah, I am going to go back to school. I don't know when. I have an appointment to do a tour of one of the schools out here, and I want to get licensed because there's just so many options, and there's so many different like, you don't have to just use one thing. You've got gel, you've got polygel, you've got acrylic, your dip systems, then of course all the things that you can decorate with. And yes, at 40 or 41, I am going back to school. So I do not like my nails long. So on this channel, you probably won't see long nails unless I'm doing it on my practice hand when I get one. I don't like them long. I type. I do all kinds of things, but I still like the stiletto or the almond shape. Mine's more almond. It didn't go into a huge, a sharp point. But I like the almond shape or the stiletto shape. And so all I did was I cut them down to where I wanted them to be. And then, sorry, I kind of figured out where the middle was on each finger. That's why you can see the little black marks. I just took an eyeliner. That's all I had at the time. And did a mark kind of in the center, and then I cut the excess on the edges and then kind of focused on meeting the two ends into the center. And I made sure that, of course, whenever I clipped them, they were all one length, because before I didn't do that and it looked awful. So there are the nails. And now I'm just taking the shine off of damn, I'm sorry, my my voice is going crazy. I am taking the shine off of the nail. I don't know if you need to do this. I do it just so I can make sure that everything stays on. I'd rather it be completely adhered than it not, and me taking that chance of it popping off or falling off. So I did take the shine off of the jelly nails, and then I put the foundation on each of the nails, the Beetles foundation on each of the nails. After this step, I did wash my hands. Anytime I used the drill, I washed my hands. That way I don't have any dust or anything left on my hands, and it's pretty clean. I do need to get a dust collector. I've figured out that I do need to get a dust collector because it ended up getting really, really messy. Okay, now I'm putting the polygel on here, and I'm using the slip solution. Let me talk about this this slip solution and this polygel. I was not used to this polygel. This polygel was a little bit thinner than I'm used to. Either that or I used too much slip solution, which I don't think I did. But it kind of self-leveled, but it also, once you got the shape and you completely cleaned it, you needed to flash cure it, or else it would completely lose its shape. So, yeah, it took me a few tries to figure that out, but I got it. I was able to get it and get these nails on. And sorry, I did find a way to make the camera on top and not on the side. So here you just see me putting on the leaves, and then I put on the multicolored glitter after that. It shows it, but it's not a very good angle. So like I said, I did figure out how I'm gonna do it from above, and that way it will stay in focus and I'll be able to do all of that and then just zoom in when I'm editing. And so here I used the foils. I liked this foil better because it had, I say, more fall vibes. It was gold and orange. So I used that. And then on the next nail, I just put glitter. So these three nails I ended up doing encapsulating, which made them a little bit thicker than my pinky nail. But I mean, it's my first few. They're gonna be a little on the thick side. But I do like the way they came out. Okay, now I'm just filing everything, trying to get the thickness down. Let me tell you, listen to Slaybyjay when she says, be careful at how much you use or else you will be filing forever. I was filing forever. It was not fun. But I just showed you just a little pic there of how it looked before I put the top coat on. So I put the top coat on the nail, and then I put the stickers on, and I used sunflowers are my favorite flower. They are absolutely my favorite flower. So of course I had to use sunflowers, and then I used the little autumn sticker. You can't really see that one, so I changed. On the other hand, I made it a darker autumn sticker. But then here, all I did was put gels kind of in an S formation, and then I put stickers on the sides. You don't see me put the stickers, but you do see me put the gems on, and I just do it in kind of an S formation and then go from there. My end take where you see my nails outside, that is, today is Tuesday, so it's 3 days later. So you'll see they actually stayed on. Okay, and then here you're just seeing me put the, well, I wanted to use everything in the package except for the foils, because it wasn't the right color that I wanted. It wasn't with the aesthetic that I wanted, but I wanted to try to use everything in the pack just to show you, you know, something that you can create. So my nails may be busy, they may be too busy for you, but I absolutely love them, and so does my husband. So he says these were the best set I have made so far. And then this is just showing me struggling with these stickers. The stickers are really delicate, guys. You cannot be heavy-handed with them or you will tear them. I tore several of them, which is good that there's so many stickers in there because I tore several of them. But then you see me just using the the rhinestone gel, and then I put the top coat over that, and then I stuck the jewels on over that, which is what Long Hair Pretty Nails does. So I figured I would do it, and I haven't had any of the gems popping off. They have lost a little bit of their color, which you will see in the final shot. They have lost a little bit of the color, but they haven't popped off. And here are the finished nails after I did the cuticle oil. I think they came out really good. I'm very, very proud of them. These are the first ones that have looked this good. And that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, let me know what you want me to do, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.